Good morning. Welcome to ICT Online MA Education Part 2. Friends, I really extend a very warm welcome to you all for taking the courage to opt for an ICT online course. At the first, let me thank our Honorable Vice Chancellor. It is because of him we are here where we are, because he has been providing facilities for learners at all levels, and he has also provided facilities to instructors and learners, not only the University of Mumbai but its affiliated colleges as well. This year we had started with online admission and examination, and also under Dr. Kavita Lagati we have started the open educational resources. But now let me just, coming back to the course of ICT 2013, let me say where we are. Unfortunately, we were just waiting for all the students to get their login ID, password and login. That's why it's taken us time. But do not worry, we will still be in time. Now, what we expect from the course? I prefer if you do reading prior to the class. You also know who your coordinators are. If you're not sure of your coordinator, you can always contact me, Dr. Himlatachari at IDOL, Deputy Director Academic, in room number 204. Now, enjoy, enrich yourself, enhance the use of technology, educate yourself and others. Now what you're supposed to do, first you log in at the eclipse.mu.ac.in site. All this while what you do is, once you see the left hand side blog, you used to just block. Please do not go to the blog site, because we're going to discontinue with the blog. So what you're supposed to do, click on ICT 2013. Then go to units. For example, this time unit 1 will be by Dr. Geeta Shetty. And then below that you start posting your comment in this forum. Now each unit you have to start posting your comments till the next unit starts. And do not bother about your assignment. It is an ongoing evaluation, including your posting in the forum, your comments and your involvement. One more thing, it's such a long, lengthy comments in the blog. It takes time for the readers and it's difficult. So if you have some long postings, when it is required, you can just post it. If you are taking an article from some writers or technologists, you could just give the blog site and discuss about it briefly. We need to know how you will use this course learning at your workplace. Now, very essential. You may be working in school, in college, you may be working at daycare, anywhere. Technology is a must. So how you're going to make use of this, that is going to be very effective for you all. Hence, give examples from your work situation. Do not worry if you are not working, you can still understand your school life and you can give some examples. Now, for some of the units, for example, the unit 1, A, B, C, D, E are available on YouTube. So what you should do is, you have to go to IDOL YouTube channel. We have provided you with the site, and once you enter the site, you will see besides the title 1A, 1B, 1C, 1D, 1E. So you can log in each one, understand the units and then start posting your comment. When we come to all this, we know what are the course expectations. Now I'm looking, what would be the benefits? Now when we talk about that, we know that government has made ICT compulsory for grade 9 students. Most of our last year MA students have benefited by taking this course because they were given in charge of grade 9 ICT. So it definitely helps in developing units or lessons using various online modes. Now, not only it's restricted to school or institution, today's world everything works with technology. You see, those who do not have that much of advantage still has a mobile phone and understands its function. So it is not difficult. You can surf. And one more thing, some of them ask, okay, how will it be examination oriented? Do not worry. Once you go through these sessions, you need very little time for preparation for the exam. Still, if you feel, you stick to the PowerPoint and your course materials. But if you use the blogs and if you are commenting on reading each and every post by your co-participants, it's going to be of immense help, as you will get a lot of examples stated by the co-participants as well as some strong comments that you can take in. Now, we are going to have some sessions by AView. This is another project which the Vice Chancellor has signed, and it is for the benefit of our University of Mumbai. Now, AView is by Amrita University. Some sessions by each of the coordinator will be by AView. Mr. Mandar Banushri will give you how to go through AView. So what we need to do is, if you do not get the login or you're unable to visit the AView session, on special request we can provide you training facility at our IDOL VLC center on Sundays. We expect you to upload your coursework, that is some lesson plan, some nice audio or video material that you have developed using unique technology. You need to upload it on this in your forum. And if you find it difficult to record at home, please request and we shall provide you with facilities. But do not just all at once come, to take prior notification. Now I've given you these websites. You cannot copy and paste, but you can always type, and these are the websites where you will find the first unit. So go ahead, start commenting after watching the video website. Thank you. All the best. Good luck.